Another 10,406 cases were recorded, bringing the total to 4,105,675. The rise in fatalities brings the total number since the beginning of the pandemic to 120,306. It is smaller than the 621 deaths recorded last Saturday, and nearly half the figure of 828 reported on February 6. But today's increase in cases is slightly larger than the 9,765 infections recorded. Meanwhile, separate figures showed a further 307 coronavirus deaths in English hospitals, bringing the total to 81,000. Patients were aged between 16 and 100 and all except 4, aged between 16 and 68, had no underlying health conditions. Wales recorded 16 deaths, while Scotland and Northern Ireland reported 29 and 3. NHS England also announced a further 371,906 first doses of the vaccine had been given out yesterday, with 15,294 second doses. It brings the total number of Brits to have received the jab to 17,247,442. Sir Simon Stevens, NHS England's chief executive, said there were early signs that the vaccine rollout is contributing to the fall in coronavirus hospitalization. The figures come as Boris Johnson prepares to unveil his roadmap out of lockdown. The PM has repeatedly stressed that measures will be eased cautiously and in stages, giving scientists time to assess the impact of lifting. Individual ministers are reviewing a dossier of data this weekend to help decide on the speed of the government's roadmap to recovery. Mr. Johnson has vowed to be driven by data and updates in his cautious and prudent lifting of COVID restrictions, starting on March 8th with reopening schools. But the return to schools could be staggered after unions claimed plans for a blanket reopening were reckless. Unions insisted only children should go back, with older ones staying at home longer to prevent the danger of causing another surge in the virus. Alongside schools returning, Brits will be able to do more exercise outdoors from next month, with non-essential shops also likely to get the go-ahead later in March. Indoor care home visits will also be allowed next month, with children finally able to hold hands with their grandparents. Visitors will be required to take a coronavirus lateral flow test before entry, and personal protective equipment, PPE. The full guidance for care homes is expected to be published in the next fortnight. But gyms and hospitality will likely have to wait to April, with exact dates for the earliest opening to be announced in Mr. Johnson's restriction easing. And close contact services, such as haircuts, may also not see a reopening. Senior sources say the beauty industry still have some time to go before they can. Other treatments, such as waxing and pedicures where contact is inherent, could have to wait.